How to fix Minecraft Java not launching. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about fixing the Minecraft Java if it's not launching or working. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open the taskbar. You can simply search for taskbar in the search box, or you can right click on it in this Windows icon and select Task Manager that you will find below Windows PowerShell. Once the Task Manager opens, in the Task Manager, find any Minecraft or Microsoft related processes and end them. You have to simply right click on it and then select End Task. After that, try launching the Minecraft again. If it still does not work, you need to restart your computer and then try again. You can also try updating your graphics driver. Search for graphics settings in the search bar. Now, once you're here, you need to expand the display adapters section that you will find between disk drives and firmware. Right click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. If updating drivers does not work, you need to repair your Minecraft launcher. The repair process varies depending on the launcher you're using. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.